The AlgoX interface has a logical workflow from top to bottom. At the top, you'll find the Edit Algo button, which allows you to create and build complex algorithms without writing any code. Algorithms are broken into execution, take profit, and management algos. We'll be going through each one of those in separate videos. Buy and sell buttons initiate chart trading functionality tied to whichever algo is selected from the execution, profit, and management dropdowns. A flatten button allows you to close all positions on the chart. This dropdown allows you to select which profile variables you'd like to execute an order into. Your order will be attached to whichever variable is selected, and it can be offset from that variable using the number box next to it. Any positive value is going to bring the order closer to the current market price. So, for example, a trade sent to the value area high price +1 is going to send the order to 49.48. You can see the order just went to 49.48, then up to 49, now up to 49.50, and is tracking with the value area high price, always one tick in front of it. If this were a short order, +1 would not be the mathematical equivalent. A short order with a positive offset value is again going to move the order further away from the current market price. So in a short position, a value of +1 would actually mathematically be subtracting one value. I suggest that you spend some time working with the offsets to understand the logic before placing trades. Long and short buttons on the interface send the trades to the selected variable. You'll either be executing longs or shorts from any given variable. If we wanted to execute a short at the point of control managed off of the volume weighted average price, we've now sent a short order one tick below the point of control with our one tick offset managed from the volume weighted average price. Execution, profit, and management dropdowns allow you to select the various algo components that you've built with the algo editor. By default, management algos are designed to only allow your stop loss orders to be improved as they work. There are situations, particularly when using a value area for stop management, that in order to track the actual value in the profile, your stop would need to increase or move further away from the current market price. In order to attach a stop order to a specific value on the profile and allow the risk associated with it to increase with the variable moving, you would enable the sticky stop. We'll work through a specific example of sticky stop in another video. The account dropdown allows you to toggle between simulated and live accounts. The P&L field shows your open profit and loss, unrealized profit and loss while in a position. Below that, we see the open risk field, which shows the potential loss given the current stop loss on any open position. So if this position were to trade all the way down and hit the stop, the current exposure is $840. The balance field shows your account balance, in this case the simulated account balance, which represents the value which the algos utilize to size off of any position. The move stop section allows you to manipulate the trailing stop of a position if you would like to intervene with the management algo that's been deployed. In this case, our current stop is at 49.48. If I were to determine that I wanted to use the volume weighted average price or one tick behind it instead of the current management step, I could simply use the move stop tool to reset it, and that position will hold until the next management step is taken. Even after a stop is moved, orders are attached to the specific variable selected. If, for example, you would like to use a tick offset, simply moving the stop 15 ticks behind the current market price, a quick move of the stop will make sure that it continues to track at that level. Any defaults set up for each variable in the dropdown can be set as defaults by clicking Save Defaults. Now, by moving to any other variable in the dropdown and moving back to ones that have been saved as defaults, the settings become sticky for each one of the execution, profit, and management. In the next video, we'll look at building execution algos.